Okay, this is the brief on how we express creative thoughts and get those ideas organized. You know how sometimes a great brainstorm just kind of goes off the rails, right? Well, this material basically gives you the essential communication toolkit. You know, the right phrases and organizing rules needed to keep your creative ideas clear, whether you're sharing them with the team or maybe writing something a bit more formal. First up, you get these two really key grammar structures for sharing ideas constructively. So there's I suggest we try. That's for when you've got a direct, actionable thing in mind, like I suggest we sketch this out first. Oh, and a quick tip here. Remember, with suggest, you don't use to before the verb, okay? Just the base verb itself. Then you've got what if we. That one's great for those more hypothetical, let's think bigger kind of brainstorming moments. You know? Really encourages creativity. Second, we actually see how this plays out in a conversation. There's this example with Lena and Marco planning a future cities presentation. They use what if we for the big picture ideas, the brainstorming, like maybe starting with a surprising fact or contrasting cities. But then they switch right over to I suggest we to make those ideas concrete and actionable, like suggesting they focus on achievable stuff, think solar power or smart buildings. And finally, when it comes to actually writing it all down, there's a simple golden rule for clarity. Basically, every time you shift your main focus, you start a new paragraph. That's it. Each paragraph should really tackle one core idea. Like maybe paragraph 1 talks about early talent, paragraph 2 about current impact, and the third covers inspiration or lessons learned. So yeah, mastering these simple structures and that focusing rule, it really ensures your creative thoughts land clearly and are organized well, whether you're speaking or writing.